What a fun little smokeless fire pit. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this portable tabletop smokeless fire pit. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And honestly, we did review this when it was still wintertime. This is a little portable smokeless fire pit that you can easily travel with. It's great for backpacking, for camping. You could even keep it in your RV. You can put it on a table. You can set it on your patio. So you can take and put a little fire starter in this to get it going, and then add a small amount of wood, some kindling, or some sticks to create a really nice fire. There are airflow holes at the bottom of this, so it's going to burn really evenly. The holes on the bottom and the design do make it pretty smokeless. The smoke is designed to go straight up instead of kind of swirl around and get in everybody's face. So it doesn't mean no smoke, it just means it's going to direct the smoke better. You can roast marshmallows on this or hot dogs. Heck, you can even put a small cast iron pot on the top of this and cook some food because it does have those air holes in the bottom. And yes, it does have a removable ashtray to make it easy to clean out. And who doesn't love the sound of a little campfire? This is so fun and can be used in so many different ways. We recommend this.